Hey, what's up, everyone? Jason Hopkins here, coming at you live. So I just really quick wanted to share some information with everyone on how um, you can make money online by selling other people's products. So if you're new to these opportunities and you know if these opportunities interest you, but you're not so sure where to look, um, one of the best places to start is always either Google and also YouTube. YouTube is, by far, if not one of the best search engines, to look for, almost anything, especially when it, comes to, learn how to, build some capital selling other people's products. Now, once you find a company that's right for you and, what you want to do, you want to be clear, you want to be certain that this is the right product and the right service that you know you want to be clear, as to you know you want to be clear that this is the right product, the right service, and that you stand by this product and service. You can't sell something online that you don't already have yourself. you know if you stand by that product, you should invest in that product as well. Let's say, somebody you're selling to ask you, well, do you have that product? And, you say no. How do you think, and what do you think, is going to happen next? That person, may not be interested, and, you'll be screwed out of making that sale. So definitely you have to love what you sell, and you have to love the industry that you're involved in. You have to be very passionate about what you're doing. You have to love what you do. If you don't love it, then, why waste your time to do it? You know, you're not going to make money if you don't love the industry that you're in. You got to love it. You got to love it. You got to be passionate about what you do. You know? And next thing is, you got to be transparent. You got to be transparent. So what you do is, you're going to use the internet to build relationships, with your audience. So wherever they go, you go. To sell anything, you know, people have to know who you are, right? So, if they don't know you, then, then they're not going to buy from you. Like you have to build that know, like, and trust factor. So you got to be transparent by, you want to build relationships with your target market. You know, just you know give them your backstory, let them know who you are. Then after that, you want to think, or you want to identify with issues that most people struggle with, and then talk about it either on a blog post or Facebook post, and definitely do videos like this one, do Facebook Lives. um, so talk about that problem and present them with solutions. And you want to have a strong call to action. So one, talk about the problem. Two, present the right solutions. Three, you want to have a strong call to action. And the last thing I want to suggest is you want to find a system to use to build your email list. You want to always keep in constant contact with that list. Okay. Remember, money is in the list, fortune is in the follow up. So just keep that in mind. So once you build in relationships with your contacts, follow up with your contacts, in time, your leads are going to convert into sales. And this is how you get paid by promoting, selling other people's product and service. I hope you got some value out of this video. And if you want to know more about selling other people's products online, what you want to do is you want to click the links next to this video. And also, if you want to know more about, what I do, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Jason Hopkins, and I'll see you soon. Peace.